The food the Most High said to Adam you can freely eat in the garden is not the same food our physical body eats. If it was the same, Adam and Eve would not come to the realization that what they need for their altered body is not found in the garden. Remember, the language of the Most High is symbols. What the Most High calls food is not the same food that feed our flesh. For example, the Most High used the phrase milk and honey in the scriptures to speak about abundance, wealth, and to describe the promised land. In the flesh, milk and honey doesn't describe good land and prosperity, but food.